Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can post to different communities as well as on your own page. So first and foremost, I want you to open up your Reddit. Once you open up your Reddit, you'll see over here right on top, you'll see this thing called Create Post. Once you press on Create Post, over here, there's going to be multiple options. On top, you're going to see choose a community. So from here, you want to choose a community that you want to post in. For example, let's say I want to post in r/anime, and then I want to put a title: best website to watch. Wait, anime. All right. After that, I just want to know, I'm just going to write down and that's about it. And then you just want to press on post, or you can save it as draft. Since I want to post it, I'm just going to press on post, and that's about it. Oh, in some communities, you will need to add a flare or spoiler or OC, but since this community requires me to add a flare, I'm gonna be putting in this flare, and then I'm gonna apply it, and then I'm gonna post it. And with that, it's done. I just posted it. Okay, it's just a warning, but it's basically showing me my post. That's about it. Anyways, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.